Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the how to make an owl noise with your hands. So, step one, you're going to put your hands over your hands like this. Actually, it's more like this, over your hand like this. Then with this extra part on your thumb, you're going to put your fingers on that and press down. Then you're just going to wrap around. You're going to squeeze tight, and your thumbs, your knuckles are going to bend, and that's going to be where your lips go. Just like that. There's going to be a small hole, and you're going to keep your head straight and adjust your knuckles, or adjust your hands, and find the sweet spot. Then just put your lips on the knuckles, and then blow. And if you're advanced enough, when you start blowing, you can add the little hands. You have to do it very fast. And it sounds like an owl.
All right, sister, let's see you try. You nailed it.
It takes a little practice.
Can you like show me like actually?
I was able to do it in less than 12 hours.
Dude, can you actually like show me?
So you're like, Dad, can you stop? Just try to copy.
How do you
this. Just like that? No. So put your hand like this, and see this extra little part in your thumb. Like extend your thumb out as far as you can. There you go. So you see this like a little extra part. So you're gonna put your 4 fingers on that, and you're just gonna try to press down. Okay. Then your part right here, you're gonna curve your hand, and this part's just gonna go like that. Okay. Then with your thumbs, like with this part, you're gonna squeeze. And with your thumbs, you're like this. And then your knuckles are like out a little bit. And see, it's a very small crack. And you're putting, see that, make your knuckles go out a little more. No. Like that. Then you're just gonna blow on your knuckles. Put your lips on your knuckles. You remember, adjust your knuckles to find the sweet spot. No. You're keeping your head still. Keep your head still, and you're just going like this.
It's broken.
My hands. It's like a horn kind of. You're going like this. You're not like this. You're like this. It's like a horn.
That's a good tip.
Like this. Like
Taylor's better than you, dude.
Yeah. It's really hard to do the flutter.
Well, how do you actually like blow and like make that sound?
So you're basically you're putting your fingers like this, and you're blowing, and you're still leaving a little space to go for the air to go.
It's
It's kind of like blowing a balloon when you have to like. And you have to like just let it out on like one thing. That's kind of how this is. Like you can't just like that. Like that's not how it works.
I don't get how this works. I think my hands are broken.
They might be too small. Okay, so
Can you put my hands where they're supposed to be?
put your hand like this. It's like a Lego hand, okay? But a little further out, okay? See this little extra part?
Mm-hmm.
All 4 fingers on there, and your pinky might hurt a little bit because you're squeezing really tight, okay? Now you're gonna wrap your hands around like that, and you're gonna push together on the bottom, okay? And then you gotta like adjust your knuckles in a weird way, and see my pinky? It's almost on top of it because it's too big. And then it's just the smallest little air gap. Remember, it's a horn.
Where does the air come out from?
Wait, you're supposed to leave a gap open. So look, when I'm doing it, you see a gap on the bottom when I put my lips on it? So, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you can do this for yourself. Make sure you practice. See you in the next video.
That was really good.
All aboard Panda Express.
Panda
Get it? Like the